What is up everybody, Gifford here and welcome back to another options trading video. Today is going to be the update to my Tesla option that I created about 3 weeks ago. It's going to run you through there and tell you what's happening. So a quick agenda of what's going on is I'm going to show you the Tesla stock chart and how it's actually been downtrending the last couple of weeks. Update on the Tesla put option and exactly what's going on, its current profit and loss. Two possible outcomes when the expiry date happens because the option expires next week, and I run you through the good and bad scenarios, and also the Sharesies portfolio is growing and I'm just showing you what's going on there. So with the Tesla chart here, we can see the past months it's gone down by 32%, which is pretty massive for Tesla, and right now after hours it's 204, 205. So when I did the option it was around about $290, which was around here, and it's pretty much just gone down ever since. So over to the chart to do some quick technical analysis. We can see here I did the put option at about 290, and then ever since it actually touched down on the lower Bollinger Band, and that is very bad. So I did not expect, this is my lowest band, I did not expect to actually go less than 268, but I was wrong and the market showed that there was massive selling. So what we got now is my put option is what they call well in the money. It's in the money, therefore it's actually going to cost me a lot of money to buy back. So I think the best outcome for me is just to assign them shares, because I don't mind owning some Tesla stock, but because it's dropped by so much and I didn't expect that, I'm now going to have to buy them at $260 instead of $205 that they currently are. So going ahead of future, we don't know where it's going to go. I don't know where it's going to go, so it could actually keep going down well below this Bollinger Band, or even worse, it could go outside it and just go straight down. So I'm hoping that's not going to happen. We've got earnings next week, but who knows. On the right hand side here is a summary of my interactive brokers. You can see here that the total account has got 22.3 thousand US cash in it, and here is my Tesla position. So it expires on the 21st of October 2022, and I've got the price there is $260 as a put option. So if it goes below that price, which it is, I will have to buy 100 shares of that. You can see that I got paid $10.68. You multiply that by 100 shares and I actually got paid $1,068 at the time, and I thought that was a good deal. But as we know now, it's dropped significantly that the option itself is actually worth $56, so that's $5,600, and if I was to buy that, I've got to pay that amount, or I just let it expire and I have to buy the shares at this price here. So over in my notes we can see that there's no point buying it back because it's worth a lot of money. I'm okay to own the shares because I believe in the company, although it is now going to cost me 26,000 US dollars. And this is really the danger of options trading when you're trying to wheel it for a premium. If it goes so far in and you've got the numbers wrong, well, now you're going to own the stock. If you go back a bit, the stock was at 290, so actually buying them at 260 at the time I thought was a good deal. I still think it's a good deal, so therefore I'm going to go through with it. Basically the current price of 205, which means that I am down $5,500 on this position right now when I go to own them. It might recover by then or might actually get worse, I don't know, but we'll see what happens on the 21st. There's a couple of catalysts coming up with their earnings report, depending how that goes, although the current market is pretty down at the moment. So once I get to sign the shares, one of the things I could do is do a call option. However, because the price that I bought them for, which was $260, is so far away from its current price, it's really not going to pay that much. But let's go have a look to the table to see if I can actually get any money from it. So let's go into the future here and let's pretend like I got assigned those shares at $260. So now that I have the shares, let's do a call option and let's pretend like we'll go 1 day ahead, and then obviously we're going to go look for $260 because that's what I got assigned at. And you can see here that I would get paid $39 to $41 to do a call option, which means in 7 days time, if the share price goes up to $200 or $60 and above, I will then have to sell my 100 shares. And for someone to take that call option, they would need to pay me about $39 on the lower end. So just to state the obvious, you wouldn't obviously sell it lower than the price that you bought it for, because say for example I sold it for $250 and I only get paid $59 in here. If it actually hits $250, well, then I've lost $1,000 because I bought them for $260 and then I'm selling them for $250 each. I I know I got paid the money at the beginning when I did this 3 weeks ago, but I'm not in the game to lose money here. I don't mind waiting for it, and I think Tesla will go up eventually in the next 6 months over my price target. So let's say I'm wanting to sell a call option for $260 and just kind of make some money on this. If we go a month out, so if we go down to $260, you can see here that the price is a lot better, and someone is willing to offer $213 to be able to do this option. So if the price is above $260, I will sell them my shares, and in return I also get the $213 guaranteed on top of that. So this is the beauty of options trading. I pretty much get paid $50 a week to then try to get my position back on this if the Tesla stock does recover, and that's pretty good to me. So why am I so confident in Tesla stock coming back up again? This is a guy here named Gary Black. He's on Twitter, and he's pretty much a Tesla bull. So a bull is just someone that thinks very highly of the stock and is going to do well going forward. And he writes down many catalysts here for the future, including hopefully a new Gigafactory coming up soon. FSD beta will be released, so their autonomous driver software will get a lot better. They've got EV credits, and not to mention the future product lineup that Tesla has. And at the very bottom here, you can see that he's got $550 price target in the next 6 to 12 months. So basically that's doubling your money if he was to be right on this. So do I believe this or not? I'm not really sure where the price is going to go, but I know it's going to be a lot higher than $260 in the next 6 months to at least a year, and I'm happy to hold. So just a quick look at my Sharesies portfolio before I close everything out, and you can see here that it now has up to $4,156 as I have been putting money into it, although my simple returns gain on it is down to 3%. And here is my biggest position in this account, which is Tesla. I've got $1,368 in it with 6.67 shares, so I'm slowly accumulating those shares, and as it falls I have been buying. So quick recap, short term I will be holding Tesla till I can sell a decent call option for good money. I'm also okay to hold, however I will not generate any passive income if I do sit there and can't do any options trading on Tesla, because if it goes lower, literally I'm not going to get paid too much money to do a call option, and if it spikes up I'm going to lose all the gains. So this is just one of the downsides when you do options trading. But also the other side is, if I did actually buy 100 shares of Tesla at $290, basically there's $3,000 I would have been also lost instead of the 5,500 that I'm currently in at the moment. So that is just one of the positive and negatives that you get. I will also continue to buy more shares of Tesla in my Sharesies account as the price falls, and also as I can get money every week. And obviously I did not expect Tesla to drop by $90 in 4 weeks, so otherwise I would have picked a lower price. And in the end I don't know what the market's going to do, and all I can do is control myself, so I will just continue to hold because I have conviction in Tesla. Anyway, that's the update of what I'm doing with Tesla and my options. The most important thing is not to panic and to believe in the trades that you do. Thank you very much for watching. Safe investing, and if you got any questions, let me know in the comments. The trading platform I use is Interactive Brokers, Hatch Invest, Stake, and Sharesies for individual companies, and I use Investnow for index funds. If you want to start investing, you can use any of my referral codes down below to start your own investing journey if you are from New Zealand. Also on this channel, I share what I'm doing in my Sharesies portfolio, and I'll be doing that till the end of the year, and hopefully Tesla can come back up so I can make some more passive income. With that said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.